Oh, és ott folytatódik. So, ez egész össze lesz kötve.
That one's got 3 engines.
Because it's old. That's an old train.
Classic.